Good morning. Dito kami ngayon sa Wawa. Pupunta kami ng North Carolina. Umalis kami ng bahay around 12:30. First stop over namin. Dito kami sa Sanford, Florida. Punta kami ng Asheville, North Carolina. Road trip. So itong Sanford is around 1 hour and 30 minutes sa bahay. Yan, 24/7 tong Wawa. Meron silang mga branch near interstates, near expressways. Coffee, bread, may sandwiches din, food, takeouts, online orders, snacks, and stretch lang ng legs. Self-ordering. Beverage, breakfast, dinner. Ayan, si Jamila.
Good morning.
Soda. Fountain drinks. Order ka, Berber? Sige. Ayan, beverage. Gusto ng kape ni Mrs. Galing pa siyang duty. 10 p.m. Alright. Stop over kami ng 15 minutes para makapahinga rin yung sasakyan. Ayan, ang gamit pala namin is si Kona Bear. Last year, nag-road trip kami sa Tennessee, Gatlinburg. Dala namin si Mazda. Ito, may mga tables and chairs, madami. Pang stop over talaga siya, guys. And papagas din kami bago umalis. First stop over, Sanford, Wawa. Wala na lahat ah. Grabe naman. Kalahati na yung gas tank. Full tank natin. 3.39 per gallon. After nito, andar na ulit kami. 1.5 hours drive till the next stop over. $23.81. Unang gastos sa road trip. Okay, dito ulit kami sa Wawa. Second stop over, Jacksonville, Florida. Stretch ulit. Next na ito is Bucky's, Georgia. Mga 1 hour and 30 minutes drive ulit. Bili tayo ng brisket on the board. Guys, nandito na tayo sa Bucky's, Georgia. Si Jamie nag-drive. Time check, 5:30. Ayan, kuha tayo ng brisket sandwich. Lamig ah. Nakatulog ako sa biyahe. Maginaw, naka-jacket pa ako. Wala na nga kami sa Florida. Ayan, marami silang mga merchandise. May bucket. Chairs. May inflatables. Beaver. Yung si Jamie, yung saya niya eh. Oh. Favorite niya dito eh. Freshly made brisket. Beef brisket. Okay guys, ito yung beef brisket sandwich ng Bucky's. Meron silang regular, pero ito XXL. Ewan ko, parang 2 times size siya ng regular brisket sandwich. Si Jam, kinuha niya yung regular one.
Regular lang.
Ayan.
Parang pareho lang.
No.
Kasi nakita ko 1 scoop yung regular. Ito, 2 scoops siguro. Super dami.
Ayan, dami. So yan, look. Ayan siya sa loob. Sarap. So ayan, 1/4 na lang yung gas tank. Pangalawang gas namin. Ito kami sa Yamasi, South Carolina. Pang-apat na stop. Dito tayo sa Shell. So yan, second gas, $30.88. South Carolina, $3.29. Print receipt. Lamig dito ngayon. Sabi ni Siri, 57 Fahrenheit. Sa amin taga Florida, malamig yun. Freezing. Time check, 7:30. No.
7:29.
Ito pala yung itinerary namin ngayon, no? Today, October 22. So, yung first stop natin kanina, Sanford, Florida. And then yung second, Jacksonville. And then, nag-Bacchus din tayo sa Brunswick, Georgia. Then, nandito na tayo ngayon sa South Carolina, Yamasi. So, lahat yan, tig-isa't kalahating oras na drive yan. Para hindi masyadong stress. Tsaka nakakapagpahinga rin yung makina. Nice!
We went head first into the fire. Watch the flames rise higher, love. We were burning so damn bright, just like a shooting star turns into dust. All the fighting, all the crying, reality caught up with us. We went head first into the fire until we crashed and burned.
So yan, nandito tayo sa Circle K ngayon.
5th stop.
Pang-5 stop, 5th stop. Malapit na. Tayo ay nasa West Columbia, South Carolina. Next stop, Spartanburg, South Carolina. So yan, ganito kami mag-road trip. Sinusulat ni Jam yung itinerary day by day. Tapos piniprint namin. Para madali. West Columbia, South Carolina, Circle K. And stretching lang para hindi magka-blood clot sa legs. Tayo-tayo din. Yan ang aming bag, baon. May cooler. Damit. Etc. Snacks. Alright. 6th and last stop. Circle K, Spartanburg, South Carolina. Diretso na kami sa Chimney Rock State Park after this. Papagas muna tayo. After this, diretso na kami ng Chimney Rock State Park. About an hour. 1 hour drive. Okay, so tapos na $22. 6 gallons. See cashier for receipt. Let's go, Chimney Rock State Park. Chimney Rock. 66 tayo.
Here in Chimney Rock.
So yan, Andito na kami sa Chimney Rock State Park. Ayan, pupunta kami dyan sa taas. Mag-elevator kami dyan. Pwede rin kayong mag-trail pataas. May stairs. Ayan. Chimney Rock State Park, North Carolina. Punta kami dyan sa taas. Iwan ko na si Jamie. Iwan ko na to. Let's go. The trails of Chimney Rock. Ayan. Dito kami pupunta yung may flag. Pwede ka pang pumunta dun sa pinakatuktok.
What trail?
Yan yung trail. Ang haba. Pero dito lang kami. Easy lang.
Hindi prepared.
Pwede rin dito. Ayun, may trail pa yan. Kung gusto nyo. Ito sa baba. Yung parking sa baba. Pwede rin dyan. May falls din. Pwede, baka pumunta kami sa falls. Let's go. Welcome to Chimney Rock. Enjoy the ride. Rocks older than dinosaurs. Imagine that. Yung mga bato mas matanda pa sa dinosaurs. Oh my God. 500 million years. Ooh. Gumawa sila ng butas dun sa malaking rock. Tunnel. Gumawa sila ng tunnel. Gumawa sila ng tunnel para sa elevator. Pataas. Pindutin natin. Ano no. Ayan ito. Push button for elevator. Nandito na kami guys sa taas. There's like 40 stories. Yung inakyat natin. Papunta dito. 42 stories. Mga souvenirs, Chimney Rock, mug, coffee mug, may tumblers. Ito na may magnets, ref magnets. Ayan guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Punta tayo dyan sa may flag. Jamimay in the house. So, yan yung view guys. Chimney Rock State Park. Ang ganda. Nung galing kami sa Chicago, mga buildings. Ito naman, natural. Mountain and hills. America has to offer. Very beautiful. 360. Ganda. American flag sa taas. Sa mga nagbabalak pumunta dyan, dito, makakarating din kayo dito. Basta simulan nyo na. Kasi uusad at uusad yan.
Let's go down. And then let's go doon somewhere. Opera box.
5'9". 6 foot ako eh, 6 foot. So, mga 5'9 ako. So, diyan kami galing. Oh, this is better. Better view.
Oh, ang ganda. That view is nice.
Bitukang manok.
We're going down. That's Bacon.
Isaw po. Isaw ang buhay.
And Shako.
Hindi ko makita. Guys, dyan kami magsistay. Candlewood Suites. Here in Asheville, North Carolina. Welcome to my vlog. Dito na kami sa hotel room. Nagstay kami sa Candlewood Hotel and Suites and Inn.
Ang dami. Candlewood Suites.
Candlewood Suites.
Ang ganda, may
Asheville,
kitchen area. Oh.
North Carolina.
Tapos full size yung fridge. That's so nice. Usually yung maliliit lang eh. Full size, look at that. Oh. Ang laki.
Nice.
Diba?
Uy, grabe.
Boink.
Para siyang assisted services.
Tapos may stove.
Laki. Mura tao, diba?
May coffee maker. That's nice. May dishwasher pa oh. Ang taray.
Hindi to mahal yan.
Hindi naman.
Parang ito yung
normal lang.
Ito yung mga hotel na mga bagong nurse sa Amerika. Yung mga
for orientation.
kinukuha ng MedPro.
Okay. Ito yung bed. We have a king bed. Wow. Here in the visitor center, Jenny.
Ang init! Init. Charot, malamig. Alright, good morning guys. Andito kami ngayon sa Blue Ridge Parkway Visitor Center. Time check around 8:40. Mga 8 to 10 minutes away lang to sa hotel namin. Lapit lang. Ito yung una naming stop. Marami kaming mga stops ngayon. Check kami ng mga overlooks. Beautiful overlooks. Ayan si Jamie.
Good morning.
May park ranger. Yan. Ganda. May mga iba-iba. Yellow leaves. May green pa rin. May red and red. Red and then orange leaves. Yan. Ganda. North Carolina. Asheville. Yan. Blue Ridge Parkway. 45 miles per hour lang yung speed limit. May mga emergency telephone numbers, park rules and regulation.
We're going here.
Saan? Yan.
Andito tayo sa park headquarters in Asheville. Tapos we'll drive all the way. We'll drive the Blue Ridge Parkway all the way to Cherokee sa southern end dito.
Cherokee?
Yeah.
Yan, so the drive yung... Saan ba yan?
So ito yung Blue Ridge Parkway, yung green.
Ito yung green.
From...
Mahaba yan.
Yeah, from Virginia.
So parang 1/3 pa lang kami. 1/3 lang kami. Ayan, dito. So yung green na yan, the drive namin. Maraming mga overlooks dyan, di ba?
Yeah, we'll stop sa overlooks.
Tapos sa Cherokee. Ayan, Cherokee.
Yan, ito yung end ng parkway. Pinaka-end. So, dito tayo.
Ayan, Blue Ridge Parkway. Pakita natin yung sign. Ganda. Umpisa pa lang yan, guys. Blue Ridge Parkway, America's favorite drive. Lamig ngayon, 40 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
Naninigas na yung,
Tigas na yung mukha ko.
yun o, mga daliri namin. Blue Ridge Parkway, Visitor Center.
First stop over.
What is this called?
This is French Broad,
French Broad Overlook.
Wait lang.
Ito guys.
Yan. This is our first overlook. This is the French Broad Overlook. Kasi yun daw yung French Broad River from there.
Ito kami pupunta.
Ito yung mga nilista kong overlooks.
Dami oh. 1, 2, mayroon pang second page.
We'll see kung ma-stopan natin lahat.
Ayan pa. Ang dami niyan.
Ayan.
Sana matapos natin.
True.
Sana maaga.
Yeah. Ganda daw. Okay, on to the next stop. Okay, on to the next stop, Walnut Cove Overlook.
5 minutes
So,
away,
it's
2
a
miles.
5-minute drive.
Guys, sobrang ganda. Lapit pala.
Okay. Second stop is Walnut Cove, elevation 2200. Ready?
Video?
Yeah.
Walnut Cove Overlook. Second stop.
Second tunnel, Pine Mountain Tunnel.
Pine Mountain Tunnel. Ganda, okay. Kita ilaw. Madilim yan guys, sobrang dilim. Ilaw lang ng sasakyan. Bundok na nilagyan ng tunnel, hinukay. So guys, ito ay Bad Fork Valley Overlook. Ito, feeling ko ito pinakamagandang stop so far.
Yeah.
I think third stop na namin to. One of the most beautiful stops so far. And guys, naka 5 times zoom tayo sa iPhone camera, 2 times, and then 1 time zoom. Ganda. Ayan. Mountains. I don't know kung part yan ng Smoky Mountain. Ayan. Tapos ito, mga puno. Ganda. One of the most beautiful so far na stops. Ayan. Bad Fork Valley Overlook. Jamie. Ito, ganda.
Sure
Oh.
mo ko here.
Red trees. Wait. So ito, medyo magtatagal tayo ditong konti. Ganda. Beautiful. Picture ba? Picturein kita. Guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung aming itinerary. Ayan, tapos na kami sa Heritage Area, French Broad, Walnut Cove, Chestnut Cove. Ito na kami, Bad Fork Valley Overlook. Ito, Bad Fork Valley Overlook.
Ash Creek Valley Overlook. Yeah, very similar lang. Parang lumapit lang tayo konti. Beaver Dam Gap Overlook. Right na sa other side siya. Let's go there. Meron kaming snacks. Snacks for today ay nuts and sandwich. Kagat na. Sarap to. Espresso hazelnut. Ngayon, nandito tayo. Next. Big Ridge Overlook. 2 minutes away.
Dito kami ngayon sa Pisgain. Isa sa pinakamahal na accommodation.
Yeah, it's along the Blue Ridge Parkway.
Pisgain.
Tapos,
Mount Pisgain. $350 to $450 per night. It's the views. Maganda yung view niyan eh.
Rescue pup, so from the shelter, so she's done a lot better.
We're here in the Pisgain.
Parkway. Hindi na pa tayo nasa Blue Ridge Parkway. Dito na kami sa baba ng Looking Glass Waterfall. Guys, yung clouds sobrang laki. Parang nasusunog yung mountain.
Kinakover niya.
Pero yung clouds lang yun. Yan. Yung clouds, tapos yung shade niya sa mountain. Yun, oh, laki! Look at those leaves. Ito guys, ang tinatawag na looking glass rock. So pagka umuulan daw, itong part na to, nagre-reflect yan pagka nasisinaga ng araw. Or pag winter, nagfo-frost daw yan. Nagfo-frost itong area na to. Parang nagiging glass siya. Ganda. Or ito. Yan. Ganda niyan. May binoculars kami. Zoom in namin. Ang ganda. Yan. So guys, dito na kami sa highest point. Highest elevation pala. Highest elevation ng Blue Ridge Parkway.
6,053 feet.
6,053 feet?
Yeah.
Punta kami ng view deck. Wooden view deck. Good luck. Pag nasira, tsugi. Metal naman yung foundation metal. Nice. Roy Taylor Forest. May bear ba dito? Ayan. Ooh, beautiful. And may seats. May vandalism. Zoom natin yung mountains. Smoky Mountains. Alright, last stop for today. Mag-aalas 6 na ata. Dito kami sa Mount Mitchell. Yan. Elisha Mitchell, scientist and professor, died in attempt to prove this mountain highest in eastern US grave. Is at the summit. 28. What? I don't know.
Died on the hill.
Died on the hill?
Yeah, literally.
Sobrang lamig, guys. I don't know. Super lamig. Try namin pumunta dyan. And bababa na kami. Super lamig. Naninigas na ang aming mga daliri. It's nice. Sobrang ginaw lang. Sobrang hangin. Mount Mitchell. Alright, good morning. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Grandfather Mountain sa North Carolina. 1 hour 30 minutes drive to from Asheville sa accommodation namin. Malamig ngayon, 37 degrees. Kanina nung nagda-drive, sinasabi mga 31 degrees along the way. So ngayon 37 na, nandito na kami. Bungad pa lang to ng Grandfather Mountain. Pwede kayo magda-drive pa kayo miles and miles. Maraming attractions, maraming stops along the way. So ito pala yung may mga freebies kaming na-receive, mga USB. Pag first time binibigyan nila nito, Grandfather Mountain.
So ano siya, ano yun? Guided tour when you
may audio tour siya.
Audio guided tour.
Sabi nila pag may USB ka daw sa kotse, saksak mo lang to tapos i-play mo. May guide. So yan. Grandfather Mountain. Tapos ito yung maps nila. Yan, marami kayong mga stops, mga attractions, bla bla bla. Sa loob, merong mini zoo, may mga mountain lions, may bear, and other animals. Tapos may mile high swinging bridge.
Ika-cross natin yan later.
Yeah, may may exhibit, split rock, may mga trails, may garden, may shop. Siyempre yung mile high swinging bridge. Nice, nice. Unang stop pa lang to, bababa kami dyan. Alright, let's go. Time check, 9:15. Guys, sobrang lamig. Woo! Grandfather Mountain, Half Moon Overlook.
Yeah.
Baka kaya siyang tinawag na half moon kasi ito. Half moon siya. Ang lamig.
Come here.
Woo! Maiihi ka sa lamig.
Parang mali yung suot ko.
Oh my God.
Ay, hindi. Malala naman.
Go, honey.
Ayan o. Kaya siya splitter. Come here, honey. When you stand dito. Diba? It's split in half.
No, I mean, okay. Sabi ni Siri,
Yeah.
years of weathering and small cracks from ice.
Ah,
Caused
okay.
by, yeah.
Kaya siya ganyan. Para siyang nahiwa sa gate.
See? That's the gap.
Maybe from dong ganong angle. I don't see it. How are you feeling?
A little cold. Look, honey. Ito yung parking nila. Nasa edge. Sobrang lamig.
Punta tayo doon. We'll cross that bridge. Let's go. Eh, pwede ka naman pala mag-elevator.
Elevator tayo. Yung
Really? You don't want to take the stairs?
lamig. Bridge, third floor. Third floor, bridge to bridge. Yeah. Stairs, then bridge.
Okay, so punta tayo sa bridge. Can you check how tall I am?
Grandfather Mountain. 1 mile. Huh? Hindi ko magets. Ayan yung height mo. 5'1" ka, honey. Sabi mo, 5 feet ka lang. 5'1".
No, I have shoes on.
Si Mildred, 4'9".
So, kasing tangat ko siya. Oh, short girl club.
Ako, honey. 4'9". 6 feet ako eh.
No, you're 6.
6'1" ako with shoes.
I think.
Yan ang height ko, guys.
Kung ano ma. 6 nga. I don't know.
Pero dito sa Amerika, yung mga katrabaho ko, na mas maliliit sa akin, mga 1 or 2 inches, sabi nila 6 feet daw sila.
Nag-a-add sila.
Yeah, ina-add nila, gusto nila matangkad sila dito eh. Seryoso sila na hindi sila nagjo-joke na 6 feet.
They just add.
Yeah. Pag sinasabi ko, ako yung 6 feet, sabi nila, hindi daw.
Pero mas maliit sila sa'yo.
Yeah. Ayun na, honey.
Okay, this is the walkway to the bridge. Ayan, from the elevators. Ganda. As ayun si Kona, we parked doon.
Diyan.
Yeah.
Nice.
Ayan, pwede naman mag-stairs itong stairs na to. Kaso,
Maikli lang naman, pero sobrang lamig.
lamig at
Sobrang lakas ng hangin. Hindi naman sobra. OA.
not recommended for 30 plus.
Okay guys, approaching Mile High Bridge. Let's go. Guys, kukross na namin. Grandfather. Mile High Bridge. Malakas yung hangin, so kailangan hawakan yung phone. Si Jamie sobrang takot. Nakakatakot siya, guys. Oh my god, nagsaswing. Crossed it.
Terrifying.
No, it is cold. So ayan, guys. Yan, suspension swing bridge. Nakatali lang siya sa mga rocks. Yan, ang daming wires. Tapos dito yung kabilang dulo. Wala, view lang. Look at that. There's a building right there on the other side. Pagdating naman dito sa kabilang dulo, medyo hindi na mahangin. Sakto lang. Hindi na rin sobrang lamig. Pero sa gitna, sobra. Parang may steam ng air. I mean, may breeze ng air na malakas. Nice. Okay. Absorb muna namin tong scenery. At guys, balik tayo. Solo namin yung swinging bridge. Hawak ko nang matiin yung phone. Sobrang lakas na hangin. Breezy.
They crossed the bridge too. So good.
I need to get this done.
Of the dogs, not you. Bye. Yun na siya.
Okay, let's go. Taas mo pa.
Okay, we're going back.
Going. Siya naman nag-video.
Oh my
Para
god.
ma-appreciate ko yung scenery.
Yeah. Parang after how many tries, hindi na ka natatakot. Pero maglakitiin.
Ganda pala ni.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Baka hindi na ako kita.
Ayan.
Yan, ganyan. Perfect.
Okay. Maganda natin doon.
Tumigil kaso malamig.
Pwede naman, we can picture tayo.
Medyo hindi malamig ngayon.
Yeah.
Hindi ako
Wait a bit. Okay, come on. Sure.
Oh my god, ayun na yung singing bridge.
Sweet.
Hindi singing
Ah,
kasi yung
singing.
mga metals. Kikis-kisan. Yun siya. Dogs crossing. Done. Fourth time.
Okay.
Going down on a steep road. First gear lang. Paano to? Automatic. Kaya naman.
Free
What that?
falling.
Ano yun? Elevation. Ingat baka sumayad. Laglag na sa bangin. Ayan. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Ganda.
Don't scare me like that.
Kahit yung malaking pickup, nagdadahan-dahan siya eh.
As he should, because he's gonna go
Sad-sad siya dyan.
sad.
coffee in the morning.
Coffee break before tayo mag... Ano yun?
Animal habitat. Wildlife.
Wildlife tour. There that is.
Sleeping bears.
I want to be 6 years old.
6 years old? Okay.
Dios mío, se me figura alguien durmiendo.
That's pretty cool.
That's with the bears.
Yung isang bear. Somewhere. If I can... Yan. He's lying down. He's sleeping. Hello. Tulog daw siya. We're here at the Blowing Rock.
So and guys, yung entrance fee, merong entrance fee, adult is $12. So entrance, let's go. Again, this is beautiful. Look at that sky line. Mas maganda siya sa personal, guys, kaysa sa video. Like ito, mas ma-appreciate siya sa bare eyes. Mixture of red, orange, yellow. Yan. Kasi pagka yung wind, nag-blow siya pag ganun daw. So pag may tinapon ka na paper, tapos saktong may wind, babalik daw siya sa thrower.
Okay, we're checking out.
Ay, wala palang ramp dito. Wala.
It's okay. Go dun sa ano, all the way till the entrance.
Ay, ito pala yung kotse. Yeah. Kala ko dito pa rin tayo nag-park. Check out na kami. 4 days, 3 nights, North Carolina trip. 48 degrees Fahrenheit.
Dito kami sa Candlewood Suites. I don't know if you can see.
It was nice.
It was nice.
North Carolina. Ano nga ito ulit?
Tagalog ng luggages.
Very useful. Cooler.
Why is it too far from the car?
Balik Florida na. Balik na sa flat area.
Balik na sa init.
Yan. Bye! Right, nandito tayo ngayon sa Asheville General Store. Somewhere in downtown. Bili lang tayo ng fridge magnets.
Ayan. Ganda
Meron
yan.
pa dito.
We are mural hopping. Ito yung isa. Second mural.